Hello.
Hey! Ignore the toothpaste.
Too late.
Hey everybody, and welcome to my tiny house. So this is where I live when I'm not in LA, and it's a very, very cozy place, and I love the tiny house. I also love it because when I'm in LA, I can just lock it and I don't have to take care of anything. With one exception, this guy. I got this plant from a friend a couple years ago, and I'm weirdly attached to it. I can't take it with me to America like I will take Smudo with me. More about that in the future. So I need to find a solution that this plant can survive on its own for longer stretches of time. And this is what I want to do today. Build a plant support system. And also something so I can check in, because I want to see if it's doing okay, you know? Because worst case, I can call Janine and tell her, can you please look for my plant? But I want her to survive on her own. Let's make something for this. Any plant nerds out there, is she supposed to look like this? Like in all directions, or I don't know. Hey! So a couple weeks ago, I posted about my new shop in LA, and one of the most frequent comments was, what about security? What about security? And somehow Reolink saw that, and they were like, hey, here's some surveillance cameras for your security stuff. But I think it would also work to, like, as a babysitter for my plant. So let's see if we can kind of merge those two ideas together. So this is the camera. That looks like a sweet little robot person. Oh.
Sweet.
Ja, guck mal. And then like a watering can. It needs a little arm. Okay,
yes.
First it needs a mouth. Hold on.
Sweet.
Oh. I can't get over this. Now I want a camera so I can see this camera. Okay, here we go. Okay, I think we need the solar panel. We don't need it right now. We can get that out later. Let's first figure out something. What do we want? We want this plant to be taken care of. I want to be able to check on it. And of course we want to water it. That's first, everything else is on top. But let's make sure we have that. I think the first thing we need to do is decide on a housing. Like, how's it gonna look like? Where's it gonna live? Let's look for something cool. I mean, I'm thinking aluminum box, right?
Right.
But which one? You know what? This one.
The yellow one?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Ooh.
Look at this.
Oh.
It would be cool if the plant would live here and it has this overflow. It doesn't matter if there's too much water.
Great.
Let's play with it. Or it lives here. I mean, I think it's nice if it's kind of growing out of this. Hold on.
Ooh.
This is it. That also makes more sense.
Yeah. Okay, that's great.
That's a great form factor. And then this could be on an arm. Okay, I like that. I love the colors together.
So nice.
Let's find more cool stuff. Aber das so als Tank unten drunter? Aber es sieht geiler aus.
Mhm.
Das sieht vielleicht noch ein bisschen schöner. I want this to look, imagine like a space station, you know, and there's this experiment with a plant on Mars. And this is what they built in the 80s to surveil it.
Right.
That's the aesthetic I want. So I think we're close. Let's look what else we have.
Ei, ei, ei. Ei.
Das ist es vielleicht.
Das ist auf jeden Fall wunderschön.
That's it. I don't want those. I want this. I want the yellow one. I want the aluminum. Maybe if we find a thicker one, that would be nicer even. Might want this. This is it. That's the secret. It also looks like an egg. It looks like something is hatching, you know? So if we cut it in a way that we keep a little bit of the curve
Ah ja.
and then
Would be nice.
some holes in the bottom. And then depending on how, I think it's pretty thick. If we can find some other aluminum, a little bit thicker than this, and we weld it into the lid,
Yes.
and then it has handles too, so you can take the whole plant with the lid off, refill the water. Oof. Ist zu gefährlich.
Okay.
It's much better. Guck mal. Krank, oder?
Mega schön.
Ist das geil. So ein Ei. Geil. Okay, super.
Perfect.
Perfect. I think I want solid aluminum. Let's see if I have some solid aluminum. I think I have a piece of diamonds. Diamond plate.
Ooh.
And if that's visually too much, we can take the back side. But I think this might be nice.
Super nice.
Oh, perfect. Ja, Mann.
Geil.
Krank.
Alter. Hammer.
Yo. Oh, ist das geil.
Das ist so geil.
Now this diameter. Let's cut this off first. Put it in from the bottom. Weld it. Holes. Krank. Okay. Pretty good.
Perfekt. Aha. Ja.
That's it.
Okay.
All right, this looks good, but this doesn't.
Ja.
That's why I made another one. Yes.
This is what we need. Perfect.
Oh. Okay, let's make it super fancy and try to weld it. The question is, should we weld it from the bottom in case it looks shit?
Ah, yeah, maybe to try first.
Yeah, let's try that. Welding aluminum. Woo! I will only do it from the back side, I think. That's all we need. It's just for it to not fall in.
Yeah. Oh Gott, ist das Hammer.
Okay, and may I remind you?
It's a cutie.
I don't know if this was going to be attached to this because it doesn't really have to be, you know?
Yeah.
This can be an object and this is just watching it. It doesn't have to be the same thing, but they're friends. So my plan is to have my plant in here. I can see it with my camera. This is 4K, so I can see it. I looked it up. It has night vision, so we don't need additional light. And it has talkback, so I can talk to my plant if I want to. So the only thing this camera doesn't have is a watering system, so we need to build that. And I have one of those peristaltic pumps, and I think that would be perfect. Because we don't want too much, it's just controllable. Okay, pump time. Okay, so that's a peristaltic pump, and these 3 wheels rotate, and they physically push the water through the hose. So it's not actually a pump, it's not like pumping or sucking, it is just pushing the water through. And you know what I'm thinking? Because in my head I was thinking we need a tank of water, but we don't. Like all of this.
This is the tank, okay.
All of this is the tank.
True.
And then that also means if something about the pump is out of control, like imagine worst case, the pump keeps pumping, this cannot overflow.
Right.
Because it's, you know, it starts being full and it can't get fuller than being full if it's all the same circuit. So that's great. So essentially we just need to put the plant in the pot in this thing so it has an overflow for the plant. Put water in here, attach the pump to this, and that's it.
Okay. Ist doch geil.
Perfekt. Okay. Nice.
Nice, ne? Nice.
Yeah.
Flow direction.
Ready?
Yes. Yay!
Aus. Nein!
Geil. Das klingt auch einfach geil.
Das ist doch ein Brunnen, da kommt gar keine Pflanze rein. Das ist doch so ein Zen-Ding zur Entspannung. Meditationsbrunnen. And now, check this out.
Wi-Fi. Nice. Great.
Oh my god.
That's so nice.
Can you believe this project?
No.
So good.
Geil.
Kriegt das ja jetzt auch alles wieder.
Okay. Perfekt.
Ich komme da nicht drüber weg, ne? Das ist doch einfach nur geil.
Welcome to Reolink. Please install Reolink app.
Did that?
QR code on the camera.
Fertig.
Okay.
My new roomie. Okay, solar. Last thing is the power source. It comes with a solar panel. I'm just gonna put it on top of the window so the cable is out of the way. Nobody can reach it. Let's do it. So, oder?
Ja,
Okay. Hä, ist doch voll geil.
super.
Clean,
Perfekt.
easy. We have the Argus 4 Pro. Argus in, blind spots out. It's because it has the two cameras that you get a full 180 in 4K. And the thing, they say it has like color even at night, which is important because those colors are beautiful. And I want to see them always. I go to the shop and let's try the talkback function.
Geil, kannst du mich jetzt hören?
Yo!
Krass. Okay, kannst du die Kamera noch ein bisschen runterneigen, dann kann ich die Pflanze besser sehen.
Okay.
Ja? So ist super. So sehe ich jetzt perfekt den Eingang und die Pflanze und das Bett und die Fenster. Hammer.
Geil. Mach mal die Pumpe an.
Warte.
I also looked something up because I was worried with the sun that it's not enough sun to power the camera. But apparently 10 minutes of sun on the solar panel powers it for 24 hours.
Okay.
We even in Germany we get 10 minutes of sun.
So good.
I can even automate it. I can put a like 30 seconds a day. Don't have to worry about it at all. Can check in with the Reolink camera.
Perfect.
What a perfect project.
Yeah, it is.
Well now Felix, this was our last video for a while.
Right, yeah. It's crazy a little bit.
It is crazy. It's good that it was such a good one.
Yeah,
It was
amazing.
worthy. If you want to learn about my new friend, the Argus 4 Pro, there's a link in the description. They also have a 25% discount on this right now. If you want this cutie, go there and check it out. I want to thank you guys for watching and supporting this channel, and also for supporting Felix's channel. I said this many times before. Go there, check it out. He is one of the most inspiring people on YouTube in general. And I'll see you next week with a new video.
Bye bye.
Bye.